Hi everyone and welcome. I'm Lindsay Adams of CGN Advisors. When we think about retirement, we often picture relaxing on a beach, traveling, spending more time with family and loved ones, but the truth is, the journey is just as important as the destination. Today I want to talk you through your retirement roadmap, breaking it down by decade so you know exactly what to focus on. First up, your early 50s. This is a power retirement planning phase. You're likely at the peak of your earning years and retirement is more clearly in sight. The two biggest goals during this phase are accelerating your savings and paying off debt. This is the perfect time to supercharge your nest egg by utilizing catch-up contributions to your 401k and IRA. Exploring tax planning strategies, including Roth conversions or backdoor Roth contributions, are helpful if you're a high-income earner. Consider charitable giving tools during this stage, such as a donor-advised fund, which lets you give intentionally now and build up a legacy over time. Starting or updating your estate plan, wills, power of attorney, and healthcare directives should reflect your current life stage. Also make it a mission to pay off any major debts, especially your mortgage. Imagine how much better it will feel and how much freedom you'll feel in retirement without that monthly payment looming over you. Next, we enter your early 60s. This is the decision-making phase of retirement planning. Two of the most significant decisions you need to make are Social Security and Medicare. Should you claim Social Security at 62, 65, or wait until your full retirement age or later? That choice can have a huge impact on your retirement income. Start Medicare planning early by reviewing your options at 64, so you're ready to enroll at 65 without coverage gaps or penalties. Map out your income strategy with help from your financial advisor. Decide what accounts you'll tap into first, during retirement, and in what order for tax efficiency. This is also the time to fine-tune your investment asset allocation. Potentially shifting from an aggressive growth to a more balanced income-focused portfolio is a great thing to do in this time, or at least evaluate. Make sure to revisit your estate planning documents. Life changes like grown kids or elderly parents may mean your beneficiaries, trustees, or plans need updated. And finally, the moment you've worked so hard for, retirement begins. This is about shifting your mindset from accumulating to distributing. So what does that mean? It's time to create a reliable income stream from a variety of sources. Like we mentioned, Social Security. There's also your savings, maybe a pension. The key here is to create a sustainable withdrawal strategy that helps your money last as long as you do. This is also a time to celebrate and enjoy the new chapter you've started. As you move into mid-60s, late 70s, this is what we call a maintenance phase. Your routine is more set, and your focus shifts to preserving your wealth. For most people, required minimum distributions start at age 73. This is a critical tax consideration for you and your financial advisor to plan for. This is also a good time to make sure you have a long-term care funding plan. This could involve hybrid insurance policies or dedicated savings buckets. Finally, let's look at your 80s and beyond. This is the final phase of retirement planning that we call legacy planning. At this point, you've effectively navigated decades of planning, and the primary goals now are confirming your financial safety and managing your legacy. This involves a thoughtful review of your estate plan, including your will, your trusts, and your beneficiary designations, ensuring your executor, trustee, or power of attorney is informed and willing to serve. Involving your family and legacy discussions will help to reduce confusion later. Revisit considering charitable gifting strategies such as donor-advised funds or charitable remainder trusts, which can enhance your impact and offer tax benefits. Planning for retirement doesn't have to be overwhelming. By breaking it down into these distinct retirement planning phases, you can tackle each step with confidence. No matter what phase you're in, our team at CGN Advisors is here to help you navigate the journey, from building your nest egg to preserving your legacy. To schedule our meeting, please call our office at 785-340-3434.